Hi, and welcome to another how-to video for the OptimalCloud. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a SAML2 service provider. Service providers define a relationship to a federated application. Service providers can be defined for SAML2, OpenID Connect, OAuth2, and WS Federation. Service providers can be created manually, via metadata, or via template. This how-to video will show you how to manually create a SAML2 service provider. First, go to the Administration tab and select Service Providers. This will show you the list of all of your current existing service providers. Click on Create Service Provider, and then click on Let's Get Started. We're going to use the manual entry for this how-to video. Click Next. Enter a name and contact information, and we're going to create a SAML2 service provider. Now your service provider has been created. The next step is to enter the URN information, and then on the Endpoints tab, enter the sign-in URL, which is also known as the assertion consumer service, and the sign-out URL. You can then go to the Security tab and enter the minimum authentication level required to access the service provider. You can also edit the token lifetime if required. On the Authorization tab, you can create authorization rules for your service provider. And if you want your service provider to be displayed on the portal, it must be associated with an application. This will be covered in another how-to video. On the SAML2 tab, you can change whether or not to sign the assertion or the response, and also whether or not to sign login and logout requests and responses. And that's it to create your SAML2 service provider using the manual creation method. Thank you for watching this how-to video on creating SAML2 service providers. Please check out the rest of the how-to videos for the OptimalCloud, and let us know if you have any questions or comments. You can reach us at sales@optimalidm.com and at support@optimalidm.com. Thank you, and have a good day.